Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Linda, and today I am gonna talk about two new amazing launches that we are gonna launch from Linda Hallberg Cosmetics very soon. So let's start. The products are two products that I have been dying to develop for a long time, and it is a all over gloss that you can use for everything, and also like the Rolls-Royce of setting powders. Infinity Glass, as I said before, it's a glossy product that you can use as a primer if you have really dry skin, because I think that most primers are made for oily skin to make their foundation stick better and last longer. But if you have really dry skin, you need something that is more moisturizing or more like oily or whatever. So you can use it as a primer, you can use it mixed with your foundation to get a little more glow. You can use it as an eye gloss, a lip gloss, or like gloss on your cheekbones or on your body. It's just an amazing product. Infinity Glass does not clog your pores because it's non-comedogenic, so it does not clog pores and it's non-irritating. So if you are sensitive, you can still wear this product without any problems at all. Here's the tube, and actually I'm gonna apply it on my lips right now so you see how it looks. I have so many tips and tricks about this product because it's such a versatile product. It's non-sticky, which is really nice. It's not sticky on your lips, it's not sticky on your eyes, and it's just really smooth that I like, which I like. This is if you're a makeup artist, you're gonna love it. If you have dry skin, you're gonna love it. You can just mix it with your pigments, with your eyeshadows, with your lipsticks, lip glosses. I'm so happy that we finally could launch this product because I've really been working with a formula like this. People, they can ask like, what's the difference between the Blossom Oil and the Infinity Glass? Blossom Oil is skin caring and it's a natural product, so it's actually moisturizing your lips and nails, but this won't. So this is just for like cosmetic purpose. Otherwise, just have fun with it. You can use it wherever and you don't have to, think about anything. Just don't get it in your eyes. Otherwise, it's just fine to use wherever you want. I really love loose setting powders, and I've done ever since I started my makeup career. It's the only thing I've been using, so of course I wanted to develop my own setting powder. So Infinity Filter, it's a transparent powder with a hint of color, so you can actually build up a little bit of coverage. And it comes in 3 shades: light, medium, and deep. And 3 shades is just because these 3 cover like a really wide range of skin tones. This is deep, and if you have light skin, for example, like me, I love to use this as my bronzer. So you can still multi-use all the powders. You can use them as eyeshadows as well. And this is medium here. And then we have light, the lightest one. I'm so happy to say that we are finally launching setting powders. The powders, Infinity Filter, is oil absorbing. So if you have oily skin, it will absorb the oils. So it will leave a matte finish on your face, but also it's not like fully matte. It's also a little bit luminous on your skin. So you get matte, but you still have this little bit luminous feeling on your face, because I wanted to make it like a setting powder. This is not a baking powder, by the way, it's a setting powder. So of course you can bake with it, but it's more like a setting powder to set your foundation. It has actually moisturizing properties, so while you wear it, it will moisturize your skin, which I think is amazing. And it's talc free. So if you're sensitive to talc, or if you don't want to use talc in your products, this is the powder for you. I think I said it before, like to use Deep as a bronzing powder if you want to warm up your face a little bit. You can use it with either 306 all over brush or finishing brush 3010, but I prefer using it with our powder puff to like apply it underneath your eyes and on different places. I don't know what else I can say about the powder. I think this is like the powder I've been looking for my whole life, just because it's matte but not totally matte, which I like. And also one more thing I think is really nice. Some powders I've been using, like HD powders and stuff, they give this, you get this really, really matte feeling, and then when you apply something on top of it, like a highlighter, it doesn't, you know, stick to the powder. It's just, it doesn't stick. But if you apply infinity filter and then you apply a highlighter or whatever on top, it's gonna stick, it's gonna be this even application even on top of the powder, which was very, very important for me when we developed this powder. Don't you just love the boxes? We finally went from the total black boxes to something more fun, more creative, but still like, I'm really in love with how these two turned out. And these are basically opposites to each other. So if you want to get rid of shine, go for the infinity filter. And if you want shine, go for the infinity glass. I really, really hope you're gonna love these two products as much as I do, because I couldn't be happier and I'm so excited for the launch. It's crazy. And I hope you had a really nice summer. I'll see you very soon again. Take care, guys. Bye.